Hello friends, in this video we will try to see how to replace null value where we have blank, okay, in Spark data frame. Right now we will try to see that into practical. Into first we will try to see if it is for one column how to replace null values wherever it is blank, and the same way we will try to see for multiple columns if it is blank values is there, then how to replace the null values. Right now we are in IntelliJ IDE. We will try to see same case into practical. Okay, right now we'll try to create a main method. Okay, we'll try to import the required libraries. Okay, we may require another library mp1 import apache.spark.sql dot functions dot call comma well. Okay, now we will try to initialize the Spark session. Dot builder dot. So we know Spark session is an entry point for the driver. Will initialize the Spark session wherever the main class is denoted. Application name, replace null with blank dot master, let's say local dot get and create. Okay, now we'll try to take a sequence of data. Let's say while data equal to sequence of, let's say shell it is blank, then we'll try to take some name, let's say Krish, then we'll try to pass another value, let's say uh, Robertson, let's say we'll try to pass again the blank. Okay, now we'll try to import spark dot implicits. Okay, now we'll try to create a data frame out of the sequence collection data. Okay, equal to, let's say data dot 2df. Let's say we will try to assign name. Okay, now we'll try to see how this data looks like at the beginning phase. See, the program execution is success, and if we can able to see here one blank and here one blank and here data is there. I want to replace nulls with this blank. That is the expected. That is what expected. Okay, we'll try to see right now for the name column how can we replace nulls. Okay, let's say df dot column, let's say name comma, let's say when call of name equal to blank, then we'll try to assign null. Okay, now dot, otherwise we are saying name. Okay, dot show. What we are doing it here, we are creating a new column, in the sense the same column, and we are passing the condition when, if column is name, then I mean when column name is blank, then I am telling to pass null, otherwise I am telling as usual the column name values should be populated. Dot show, we'll try to see whether we can able to achieve the expected desired output or not. Now program is executed successfully. Now if we can able to see, wherever blank is there, we can able to pass successfully null values. As discussed, we are keeping condition where name equal to blank, we are passing it as null, else otherwise. Here this, for these two conditions otherwise is satisfied, for these two conditions where condition is satisfied, first condition. Okay, now okay, this is fine. Now we'll try to see if this is for one particular column, if I we would like to pass for multiple columns, so this method it's obviously won't work. So for this we will try to create a UDF, I mean we'll try to create function. Okay, through that function we will try to call it, we will try to call all the columns, and then we'll try to replace. Okay, before that, let's say we will try to take another value. Okay, here let's say mas- mastered. Okay, then let's say which comma, let's say here it is blank. Now let's say again here blank, let's say here it is, let's say some no. Okay, you can give it whatever maybe the name, like I mean we'll try to say nested case here, and here either. So the second one we are passing it as, let's say some state. Okay, name and state we are passing. Now we will try to comment this. Now we will try to create a function. That function should try to map all the elements, and then it should try to pass the desired output as null wherever it is blank. Okay, now let's say def replace empty plus empty calls. Okay, now we'll try to pass, let's say comes. Okay, here we will try to pass array of string. Okay, to now within it we will try to pass what we have taken columns, right? Param with two params, columns dot, let's say map. Now we'll try to take a variable same one price. Now when call of C, when call of C is equal to blank, then we are saying null. Okay, dot, otherwise we are telling num of c dot alias c. Okay, now okay, now df dot, now we will select the function which we call plus empty calls of df dot columns. Okay, now colon score start. We are trying to select all the columns here and then we are looking at show. Okay, so what we are trying to do here, we are creating a function. The function name is replace empty columns and we are passing one argument called columns. We are taking array of string form. Okay, argument array of string, and then we are taking the argument dot, we are mapping it all the elements, we are storing under variable c. So when the column of c, if it is blank, it is null, otherwise column of same. So here if we look at it here, the condition is same in the both the cases. Okay, only the thing is here we are placing this condition under the function and we are trying to map all the columns for the out result. Okay, now we are selecting from the data frame, we are passing the function df dot columns, means it should imply all the this condition to the all the columns, and then we are displaying the result. Okay, now right now we will try to see, we should get it all the blank will be replaced as null. So that's the expected outcome. We'll try to see. Now program is successfully executed. Now if we try to see, right, see null, 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 null. So if we would like to see the sample data, let's say df dot show, we'll try to run and see. So the program execution is done. If you look at it here, this is the original df. See here two blanks and first one. See wherever blank is there, it is replaced it as null. So this is the second method that, so the first one, this is the, this by using this way we can able to pass the nulls wherever blank is there, and by using this method we can able to pass the null values for all the blanks. Okay, so this is how we can try to achieve the desired output, guys. So that's all for today. If you really like this video, please to subscribe, like it and share it. Okay, and do the comment.